My name is Dagan Carpenter. I'm a UTI grad and I work at Epic Piping in San Marcos. What got me interested? Yeah, it's just I like hands-on work. This is great for it. My UTI experience was pretty good. Had great teachers, so if I was struggling with something, they would come and help me, and then after that, it was smooth sailing. My life, I get up, get here, have our morning meeting, and then I just get to my station, prep everything, and then just start tacking them. My favorite thing, just being able to weld, honestly. During lunch, on my free time, they'll let me weld and just practice, get better. Would I recommend UTI? Absolutely, because I knew nothing and they teach you pretty much everything. What I wanted to do, I had no idea. I was just working, and then I remembered I was welding in school, or high school, and I was like, I want to do that. So then I applied to y'all. Yeah, if you're in high school, try welding. Honestly, it's not that hard as long as you keep practicing, so it's pretty good business. My education, I'm very grateful for it, because without it, I wouldn't have been here.